We've all been there. But fear not, fellow GrabPay user. Topping up your wallet is a breeze, and in this video, we'll show you exactly how, using several convenient methods. No more frantic searches for cash or bumming rides from friends. You'll be back on the road to Grab glory in no time. So, whether you're a seasoned Grab user or a curious newcomer, let's dive into the world of GrabPay top-ups. Method 1. Top up using your credit or debit card. This is a classic and widely used method. It's perfect when you want to add funds quickly and easily, directly from your Grab app. Here's how it works. Open the Grab app and tap on the payment icon at the bottom navigation bar. Look for the top-up option and tap on it. This will take you to the top-up menu. Now, select Cards and Wallets. This is where you choose your preferred payment method. Grab offers various preset top-up amounts for your convenience. However, you can also tap on the other option if you have a specific amount in mind. Now comes the fun part. Choose your weapon. Select the credit or debit card you want to use for the top-up. Make sure the card is linked to your GrabPay account beforehand. Double-check the top-up amount to ensure it's correct. Happy with everything? Then tap Confirm. Depending on your bank, you might need to verify the transaction with a security code. Once that's done, your GrabPay wallet will be topped up with the chosen amount, usually instantly. Method 2. Top up using online banking. This method is fantastic if you prefer to manage your finances through your bank's app or online platform. Here's a quick guide. Open the Grab app and navigate to the payment section, just like in Method 1. Tap on Top Up and this time, select Banking app. Depending on your region, you might see different options for online banking transfers. These can include popular platforms like PayNow, Singapore, or online banking transfers via specific banks. Choose the option that works best for you. Following the chosen method, you'll either receive a unique reference number or be redirected to your bank's app/website to complete the transfer. The processing time for online banking top-ups may vary slightly compared to using a credit card. However, it's usually quite fast, and you'll receive a notification once the top-up is successful. Method 3. Top-up in-store, for applicable regions. This method is a lifesaver if you don't have your debit or credit card handy, or simply prefer using cash. However, it's important to note that in-store top-ups might not be available in all regions. Here's how it works if it is available in your area. Head to a participating convenience store chain like 7-Eleven, depending on your region. Open the Grab app and navigate to the familiar payment section, then tap Top Up. Select in-store as your top-up method. Choose your preferred top-up amount or enter a custom amount. The app will then display a barcode. This is your magic ticket. Present the barcode to the cashier at the convenience store and pay the corresponding amount in cash. Once the cashier scans the barcode and you complete the payment, your GrabPay wallet will be topped up instantly. Bonus tip: link your GrabPay to your rewards program. Did you know that linking your GrabPay account to certain credit cards can earn you rewards points or cashback on your Grab transactions? It's a fantastic way to stretch your Grab budget further. Check with your credit card provider to see if they offer any GrabPay rewards programs. There you have it. Topping up your GrabPay wallet is a breeze with these convenient methods. So, the next time you need a ride, a delicious meal, or anything else Grab offers, you'll be ready to go with a fully loaded wallet. With that said, thanks for watching.